Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one also does come with the sports package, which is going to give you a AMG's exterior and AMG interior appearance. Also comes with 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A sports black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. This one does come up with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, an ash gray wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill. Up then we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance. Included in the Premium 3 is navigation with voice commands, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our wheel for our infotainment center, and touchpad for the media display. This C-Class has 22,227 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.